Okay guys, what's up Tech Nation? So we're here to talk about head shavers again because obviously I use them. But what I've come to find out is there is a problem getting it all cut. They get most of it, they leave little patches. That right there is the Pitbull. That's the first one I bought. I reviewed it, I loved it, but it's still not, still takes a little bit of rubbing, a little bit of back and forth, and still doesn't cut everything completely. We got to go around, trim a little bit with the razor. But the Pitbull was the first one I bought. Then I went over here and bought the Freebird. This one's smaller than the Pitbull, but it cuts better. So we started using that. So we'd start with that, we'd finish with that. It was ridiculous. It was like, why do I have to use two head shavers? So I saw a lot of videos because my algorithm was showing me head shavers because I looked into it. So they just pour those videos on you. And we went to this. I think this is what we've gone to next. Haven't used this yet. Gonna use it. Hey Hope, what's up? No, I'm not gonna use it on you. It's bigger as you can see. Literally, it's lighter than the other two. I think it's called Baldy. I don't know, there's a link down below in case you're interested, in case it goes well. If it doesn't go well, I ain't giving you the link. I'm not gonna have you buy something that's crappy. As you can see, they got more rotary blades. Pretty much covers your whole head. So it's bigger, but it's lighter. It's magnetic, so you can pop it open, rinse out the hair, magnetize it back closed. It also comes with all the attachments. So let's see if this is any good. All right, so you can see, there's some hair growing back. So I gave it a day or two. And then, how do you turn this on? All right, guys, it's on. There was a little button underneath the blades there, right about by the 90. Little button up there. Let's try it out. Let's see if it works. Is it working good? Looks good. So I would say it's not better, but it's just as good as what I already got. It's just gonna take a while to get it all cut. So I still haven't found the best. If you guys use one, let me know. Let me try it on my face. See how that feels. That feels good. Yeah, I like it better on the face than I do the head, but it's just okay. You can see there's still some darkness, still some hair showing. It doesn't cut it completely, but I don't know if there is a head shaver that does. But anyway, started looking like that, and now it looks like that. It works just like the rest. There's a link down below if you need one, but I can't say it's better than the others, even though it's got more rotaries on it. All right, guys. Well, that's it for today. We'll check out some more brands maybe in the future.